How to add countdown timers in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here to outsite.com and then just click onto this option right here and search for countdown timer. Or you can also just look for it on the apps catalog. It's actually trending, so you should be able to see it already. Now from in there, just choosing here a template for your countdown timer. I'll head over and then choose this one right here and click on the discontinue with this template. Now in here, you can choose in here the timer for that, like for example, the start time as well as the end time. For example, for this one, I'll choose the start time at around December 13, and then I'll end it at around December 20. So it will be a week. So you can choose in here the position as well. It can be a bottom, static, installed or required position as well. You can also change up the colors for this one, but I will not change it up anymore. For this one, click onto this publish option, and as you see, it will be published. Now, next thing is to just click onto this close option right here, and then in here you can see countdown timer. So what we can do next is we just need to install this on our site. Click onto this install option, and then in here you click onto this copy code, and then head over here to your Wix. Click onto this plus icon, enter your elements, and then once you have done that, you just need to search in here for HTML or the likes of it right here. So head over and click on that right here. So head over and choose in here this iframe and click onto this add option. Now it will be added in here to your site. Once you have added that, stick onto this enter code. And then from in there, just input in here the code that we have copied. Click onto this update option and then just wait for the HTML to actually reflect the countdown timer that we have. So that's how you add countdown timers in Wix Studio. Hope you help.